So this bitter cold makes it pretty obvious if you have bad windows or patio doors that need to be replaced. You don't have to wait until spring to get the problem fixed. I spoke with David Reber from Renewal by Andersen of Kansas City to learn more about what they can do to help now. So David, how is your process different than what most people are used to?
Well, with other replacement window projects, you're often the general contractor. That means you have to go out and buy your windows. You then have to find and hire a reliable installer and manage the installation schedule. It can be a lot of work. At Renewal by Andersen, we aim to make this project as simple as possible. And we do that by managing every phase of your project for you so you don't have to. By eliminating the middleman from the equation, we're your only point of contact. From selling and manufacturing your windows to installation and warranty down the road if you need us.
All right, so you can answer all those questions about window materials. And you say that not all windows are created equal. So what does that mean?
They're not. There's a misconception out there that vinyl is a good window material. But with our extreme weather conditions that we have here, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when those windows will fail. Think about a vinyl fence. When you first put it in, it looks great. But when it's exposed to our weather and seasonal temperature changes, it expands and contracts, and then it'll eventually crack. Well, the same thing can happen to vinyl windows, and that's when you start to get seal failure. Your windows lose their energy efficiency. Our windows are made with our exclusive composite material called Fibrex, which is 2 times stronger than vinyl, and it's not going to bow or crack.
One thing people worry about with home improvement projects like that is their home going to actually be torn apart or in disarray for an extended period of time. So how do you actually solve this?
Well, Belinda, many of our installers are actually homeowners as well. They treat your home as if it's their own. Our crews seal off the work area, cover all of your furniture, and place drop cloths inside and outside of the home to collect any dust and debris. When they're done, they vacuum, sweep, and clean the work area and take all the trash with them and dispose of all the old windows. In many of our reviews, our customers comment on how spotless their home was when the crew left, and many of our installations are done in just one day. So for a day or two of minor inconvenience, you'll enjoy decades of comfort and beauty.
So 1 to 2 days, that is fast, but how quickly can customers get a price quote on windows and doors, and what's that process?
We can usually be out to your home to perform our free window and door diagnosis within 48 hours of your call. While strictly following CDC guidelines, we'll assess your current windows and doors and show you where you might be losing energy. Then we'll walk you through our design options, answer all of your questions, and help you choose window styles, colors, and hardware. When we're done, we'll leave you with a down-to-the-penny quote, not an estimate, that we'll honor for an entire year.
All right, David, thank you for that information.
My pleasure.
So February is National Replacement Window Month at Renewal by Andersen. That's now through February 28th. When you buy one window or patio door, you will get 40% off of the next one with no money down, no payments, and no interest for 2 years. Plus, you will get an extra $150 off your entire order. Renewal by Andersen offers free in-home appointments, or for your peace of mind, you can schedule a virtual appointment and receive an exact price quote from the comfort and safety of your home. Call 913-228-3311 today and you can schedule your appointment.